Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out this RTR Ford Mustang. Don't know what it's called, but I will find out and I'll tag it in the title and description. But we're going to do a Spec 5, RTR Spec 5. We're going to do a full walk around, kind of show you guys the Spec 5 RTR Mustang. All right, we'll go ahead and do a full 360, kind of show you guys this whole RTR. This thing looks freaking insane. This is a Gen 3 Coyote. It's not the Gen 4. But we'll still do a full walk around. Still looks good. So customer car. That wide body looks crazy. Looks crazy. And you got the active air duct right here, and then you got for the active braking, got the whole front splitter. Spec 5. This thing looks great. Still has the normal interior, and then 2 piston calipers in the rear. I don't know what this is, but that looks cool. That looks really cool. Spec 5, huge RTR lettering, MBRP exhaust on the car. Looks good. It looks really good, especially with the wide body, like especially from the rear. As you guys can see, looks real good. I like the way these wheels look. Wheels look great. RTR badging. Like you can see like the sills like drilled in. They literally have to drill into the bumper to add the wide body kit really to the car, especially from the front. The way it looks, especially with the sun the way it is, really helps like make it contrast and pop out, right? So yeah, I like the vents. The vents look good too. Great looking car. And then since the door's really not unlocked, that's the interior. You got RTR accident seats. RTR. Let me know what you guys think about this RTR Mustang Spec 5. Comment down below. Fighter jet gray. Let me know what you guys think. It might be called something else, I'm not sure, but comment down below, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.